Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can clear cache on your iPhone. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on offloading unused apps, so let's begin. Offloading apps can remove any unused data while keeping the app itself. Open the Settings app, go to General, tap on iPhone Storage, select apps that you don't use frequently, tap Offload app to remove the app's data, but keep the app on your device. Many apps store data that can be cleared without losing your information. Go back to the main settings page again, scroll down, and select the app you want to clear. Let's say we want to clear cache on our TikTok, since it has large consumption on our storage. Now let's scroll down and navigate to TikTok. On the option, let's click Offload, and offload again on the prompt below. And that's